Welcome to LabSuite episode 4 of our LabSuite How To series. This time I'm gonna talk about locations in LabSuite inventory. Since every item dwells in its own location, it's very helpful to specify each item's placement. This is the main inventory screen, and on the left pane I see a drop-down menu which filters my inventory by locations. This menu maps all my lab locations. For example, my lab has autoclave room, black closet, freezer, etc. Some of them are physical locations in my lab. Some of them are named after lab members. For example, Jacob's bench, literally meaning the underlying items are at Jacob's bench. Often, locations have sublocations. This comes to accurately describe your actual lab layout. For example, Alice Closet has numerous primary boxes. When I check Alice Closet, which is a top location, all sublocations are automatically selected too. As a result, I see all items that sit in the respective sublocations, as well as directly in Alice Closet. This way, LabSuite inventory accurately represents your actual lab layout, and you can browse your inventory using Filter by Location menu. Let's dive inside Manage Locations and play around with renaming, creating, and customizing locations in other ways. This is my lab setup screen where locations are sorted alphabetically. I'll go and rename Alice Box to Alice Box 2. In addition, since Alice has graduated and a new grad student, namely John, is taking over her place, I'll move Alice Plasmid Box 7 to John's Closet. The last thing in this video is a sublocation type. When I create a new sublocations, I may choose shelf, conceptual shelf, or a freezer box. If I select a freezer box, I need to specify dimensions, number of rows and columns. Freezer boxes are covered in details in the next episode. So stay tuned for episode number 5 and I will talk about freezer boxes.